Welcome to this guided mindfulness meditation to help you become mindful of your breath and to create a feeling of balance and peace inside of you. So find a comfortable meditation posture and then close your eyes. Now tune into your breath. Do not try to alter the way you are breathing, but simply observe the natural flow of your breath. Become completely aware of each breath and how it feels, noticing the different sensations of breathing in and the sensations of breathing out, of air entering your body and air leaving your body. Let your breath keep you at the present moment, centered and calm. So follow each individual breath and let it grab your full attention. You are like a curious child experiencing something for the first time. So let it be your entire world. Let it be your entire focus. So take in this amazing experience and let it hold your mind in the present moment, the only moment that truly exists. Stay with your breath, with the inhalations and your exhalations, with the rising and falling of your belly, the cool air entering your nostrils and the warm air leaving. Be present and stay mindful. Follow each breath. Follow the natural flow of your breath, simply observing and taking in the full experience. If your mind begins to wander, if you notice that you are losing your focus, simply let go of the thoughts and return to your breath, to the inhaling and the exhaling, and let it keep you present and peaceful. Just relax and be fully aware of this quiet place of inner peace. Your breath is your center. Your breath keeps you present and calm. So stay with your breath. Stay with the experience of breathing. Be mindful and be aware. Now take a deep breath, and when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Now continue your day feeling calm and feeling centered. I am JP the Sweet. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and then I will see you in the next video. Namaste.